Days of the week in English. Monday.
Pondělí.
Monday. I have a meeting on Monday morning.
V pondělí ráno mám schůzku.
I have a meeting on Monday morning. Tuesday.
Úterý.
Tuesday. I usually go grocery shopping on Tuesday.
V úterý obvykle chodím nakupovat potraviny.
I usually go grocery shopping on Tuesday. Wednesday.
Středa.
Wednesday. I run every Wednesday.
Běhám každou středu.
I run every Wednesday. Thursday.
Čtvrtek.
Thursday. I have a dentist appointment on Thursday.
Ve čtvrtek mám termín u zubaře.
I have a dentist appointment on Thursday. Friday.
Pátek.
Friday. I have an English class on Friday.
V pátek mám hodinu angličtiny.
I have an English class on Friday. Saturday.
Sobota.
Saturday. I'm going to the beach on Saturday.
V sobotu jdu na pláž.
I'm going to the beach on Saturday. Sunday.
Neděle.
Sunday. My grandmother goes to church on Sundays.
Moje babička chodí v neděli do kostela.
My grandmother goes to church on Sundays. Weekend.
Víkend.
Weekend. I love to go hiking on the weekends.
O víkendu rád chodím na túry.
I love to go hiking on the weekends. Weekday.
Všední den.
Weekday. I work on weekdays.
Pracuji ve všední dny.
I work on weekdays. Calendar.
Kalendář.
Calendar. I like to keep a calendar.
Rád si vedu kalendář.
I like to keep a calendar. Schedule.
Rozvrh.
Schedule. I need to check my schedule.
Musím zkontrolovat svůj rozvrh.
I need to check my schedule. Appointment.
Schůzka.
Appointment. I have an important appointment tomorrow.
Zítra mám důležitou schůzku.
I have an important appointment tomorrow. Deadline.
Termín.
Deadline. I missed the deadline to apply for the scholarship.
Promeškal jsem termín pro podání žádosti o stipendium.
I missed the deadline to apply for the scholarship. Vacation.
Dovolená.
Vacation. I'm planning to take a vacation.
Plánuji si vzít dovolenou.
I'm planning to take a vacation. Routine.
Rutina.
Routine. I have a morning routine that I follow every day.
Mám ranní rutinu, kterou dodržuji každý den.
I have a morning routine that I follow every day. Timetable.
Rozvrh hodin.
Timetable. Our school has a set timetable for classes each day.
Naše škola má na každý den stanovený rozvrh hodin.
Our school has a set timetable for classes each day. Work week.
Pracovní týden.
Work week. My work week starts on Monday and ends on Friday.
Můj pracovní týden začíná v pondělí a končí v pátek.
My work week starts on Monday and ends on Friday. Business hours.
Pracovní doba.
Business hours. The store's business hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Pracovní doba obchodu je od 9 do 18 hodin.
The store's business hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Overtime.
Přesčas.
Overtime. I have to work overtime this week.
Tento týden musím pracovat přesčas.
I have to work overtime this week. Time off.
Volno.
Time off. I'm taking some time off from work.
Beru si volno v práci.
I'm taking some time off from work. Shift.
Směna.
Shift. I work the night shift at the hospital.
V nemocnici pracuji na noční směně.
I work the night shift at the hospital. Break.
Přestávka.
Break. I take a 15-minute break every 2 hours.
Každé 2 hodiny si dávám 15-minutovou přestávku.
I take a 15-minute break every 2 hours. Lunchtime.
Doba oběda.
Lunchtime. I usually take a walk during my lunchtime.
Obvykle se jdu během oběda projít.
I usually take a walk during my lunchtime.
Pokud se vám náš obsah líbí, máte zájem o prémiové učební materiály a chtěli byste nás podpořit, staňte se nyní naším patronem na Patreonu. Vaší podpory si velmi vážíme. Odkaz naleznete v popisu tohoto videa.